My name's James Dyer. I had a lot of family issues and stuff like that, so I couldn't really cope. It was not doing good for my mental health and stuff, and I thought I needed to be more independent. I've achieved so much, to be fair, which I never thought I'd ever do.
YMCA Derbyshire.
That you're the recipient of the CEO Special Recognition Award for YMCA Derbyshire because of everything you've achieved.
When I first met Jamie back in August, it was within a shell. From August to today, he's a different kind of guy. He's willing to try as well. He listens and he's building in confidence. We have an heart to heart now and again, me and young Jamie. He's coming on great as a labourer, which is the first rung of the ladder, but he's also spoke to me about he likes machines and what the machines do and things. So we spoke about, as he's progressing, to get him a telehandler licence, a telescopic forklift licence, and then see how he feels with that, and then progress from there to maybe a 360 machine.
Hi, just want to say a few words about Jamie. I met him about 18 months ago at the YMCA. We managed to persuade him to come and work for Cawarden. He has been an absolute joy to work with, so keen. He's adopted everything, considering he came from no construction or demolition background at all. Great to see such a young lad get into demolition, wants to be a machine driver, wants to learn. Like I say, my old group of site managers really took to him, took him under the wing, and he's a fantastic employee.